we are going to discuss about a very important molecule which is very commonly noticed, and everyone wants to start with it, and that is none other than retinoic acid. Now, what exactly retinoic acid is, whether we should include it in your skin regime, what is the age, and how do you introduce a retinoic acid is something which we need to discuss. Now, as all of us are aging, there is a change in the skin turnover. So when we are beyond 35 and 40 years of age, there is something which, if we are using a product which increases skin turnover, it's going to benefit our skin. Now, retinoic acid is a molecule which helps you to improve skin turnover. So eventually there is a regeneration of new cells, and that is how it leads to its most common improvement of reducing fine lines, blemishes, sunspots. So by and large, it clears up all the damage which has happened on your skin. Now, anyone can use retinoic acid, it's not like that, but at the same time you can have a sensitive skin, dry skin, something which triggers irritation. So choice of your retinoic acid, whether your skin is ready to use a retinoic acid, is something which needs to be discussed with your doctor. If you will look at a lot of videos, there are a large number of molecules which contain retinoic acid. They are available in cream formulations, serum formulations, and something which you can easily apply. There are products which are economical as versus products which are expensive. Now, so these are questions which you are generally concerned about when you want to start a retinoic acid. Why is, when the molecule is same, then why you can have a cheaper molecule or a cheaper drug, whereas you can have something which is very expensive. Now, retinoic acid by nature is a molecule which is irritant. So because it can cause irritation, it can cause redness, something like increased exfoliation of your skin, and sun damage, because it can induce a dermatitis. The cruder the retinol, the cheaper the retinol, but the chances of having an irritation are more. The softer the product, the more the product is mixed with ceramides or moisturizing factors, and depending on the concentration of retinoic acid, the more expensive the product is. So you can always choose an economical product, mix it with a little moisturizer, and then start using it, because you don't want your skin to irritate a lot. But expensive products always doesn't mean that it's going to be the best, but yes, it has been added with certain ingredients which are going to make retinoic acid more smoother for you. Another important point is, when you start adding a retinoic acid in your regime, which I'm sure everyone who's above 35 years of age wants to do, you need to initially start with a twice or a thrice weekly dosing. Gradually build the retinoic acid to daily dosing, because it has a potential of irritation. There is also an advice of contact therapy that you can initially apply it for a few months. Later, when over a period of time, when your skin starts getting used to, you can probably extend it and use it for a longer period of time. Retinoic acid are molecules which can cause skin irritation on sun exposure. So do not forget to use a sunscreen before you are going in the sun while you are on retinoic acid therapy. And along with this, plenty of moisturizers as per your skin type is important, because this causes dryness. So this was something which was important. You can always add on with the vitamin C, and there are other things which you can add on to make your skin regime more effective. But these are certain important and crucial things which you should know about a molecule which is very well talked about. So this bit of information will definitely help you add on to your knowledge. So this is something, if you have any questions or you have any other molecules which you would like to discuss with us, you can always share it in our inbox. Thank you.